Okay, this shirt and jacket I save for practice and demonstration, so I'm not wearing the same thing every day. Some of you guys might think, geez, does the guy even take a shower or what? But I got this on because typically I do wear the jacket, but I wear shirts that are like this. But I just put on this shirt because I'm doing a demonstration of if I was wearing this type of clothing. So what I'm going to do is single hand draw, and I'm going to block like this. Block over my head as if I need my left hand to block while my right hand is doing the shooting. Okay, so this is concealed carry, but it's minimalistic concealed carry, and I'll show you. Notice right here, not much of the jacket travel to get to the revolver. Not much at all. And we'll show you that there's snap caps in here for this practice. Snap caps. This here is a Taurus 605 Poly 357 Magnum 5-shot revolver. Comes with 2 grips. This is the short grip. You always want to get good with the short grip first so that you know you can do it if you're using the concealed carry grip. You always want to get good with that first, because the long one you're going to be able to grab more of the grip. So you always want to do the hardest stuff first, which is the shorter grip right here. But anyway, there it is. It's got a nice fiber optic sight. You don't have to dress up the sight to go to a wedding in a defense situation like this. All you have to do is just keep that on target right there. You don't necessarily have to be perfect at close quarters distance. But yeah, this thing has worked great for me. It does have a heavy trigger pull, but that's good because it makes your fingers strong for other firearms. So it is a workout when you pull this trigger, doing drills like I've done in the basement here with this. Your finger does get tired. Your index finger right here on your right hand. And I do practice left-handed too. So I like to practice both methods. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, you guys.